Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing? This video is all about this unit that I am wearing, styled and colored by the kid, okay? But the wig is actually made by someone else. It's from Jacqueline Tresses. She did go ahead and contact me and send me a unit. So the review and how I achieved this look is all after this intro, so make sure you continue to watch. Before we get into it, this is a baddie of all trades type of vibe. So we do hair, fashion, nails, makeup, all that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video you're notified. Make sure you kiss that like button, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's hop right into it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so here is how the unit came to me. It comes in this really cute silk bag. It did come with an elastic band. This is from Jacqueline Tresses. This is a 22-inch unit. I believe the front might be 16 inches. It seems to be a little bit shorter than 22. But yeah, the lace was super cute. Everything was super nice. I really do like the way the hair feels. It's really pretty hair. So we're going to start off with our BW bleach and then for the developer. And I'm just parting out some of the back just so that it's consistent with the color. I don't need to do every piece of the root. It's not necessary. You won't see it. It's not a full lace wig. So I'm just putting only the part that's in the front that I feel like you would see once it's parted. So the part that I'm not going to do right now is this back piece. I'm just going to twist it up and put it in a bun just so it's out of the way. So I'm just going to go line by line, track by track, and I'm just going to apply that bleach mixture between two bleach mixtures and then about 40 developer to make it a thick mixture. I mean, there's no real rocket science to this. And once I have it on, I'm just going to go and apply it in, like I said, little by little. And I'm using one of those smaller brushes just so I'm not, taking too much of the root. We really want this to be purely root. So I'm just taking my time, as I said. Make sure you're putting that bleach on the track. Usually people do this from a 613 unit. I decided to do it from this unit because it is possible. I just want to show you guys it's possible to do this from a darker unit. It's definitely possible. So once I did the first side, I'm going to show you guys just how I do the other front side. Now, you don't have to worry about getting the bleach on the lace because you kind of want it to, because you're bleaching enough at the same time to the opposite side because you want the roots to take the color that you're putting. You don't want it to still have dark marks, so you want to make sure you're going all the way through and through. So you can definitely saturate this unit. Don't worry about not getting your lace having any bleach. You want it to because that's how it takes the color. So I let that sit for about 30 minutes and then I went ahead and washed it out. So this is how the color looks. It is a little bit darker in some spots, but that's okay. That violet gem color didn't actually work. It was super old. I had it here, so I had to go to the store and get pink rose. So what color you're seeing is called pink rose, guys. And I'm just applying it the same way I applied the bleach, and I'm putting it all over that unit. Like, I don't even mind if the unit, though, the lace gets stained because I have to have those roots. I don't want any blonde roots showing. I want it to be all pink to make it uniform and to really achieve this trend. And I think this trend was started by Arrogant Tae. Yeah, it was started by Arrogant Tae with the green. So, Arrogant Tae, you're inspiring. Okay, so this is how it looks with all of that pink color. Now I'm not going to wash it out. I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes. But what I'm going to do is start my my water method bath for the unit, and I'm using Jet Black. I use 2 of these, and The reason why I'm using two is just to make sure the color really takes, but I did leave a little bit out of one of the bottles so that I can manually go in the top piece and put those together. So what you're seeing now is I'm getting ready to dip the hair. I'm dipping it and I'm trying to dip it and make sure I'm avoiding the pink. So I'm just like moving it around in there, but I'm not really focused on making it touch because I know I'm going to go in with my hand and do those black pieces so that they meet nicely, okay? But the jet black took almost immediately, like it was so fast. I barely dipped it. I usually leave it in for 30 minutes, but it worked fine, as you can see. And so this is after I did the roots and I'm washing it out, and then I'm gonna blow dry it dry. It actually didn't take long to blow dry at all. And just a friendly tip, if it takes too long for you to blow dry, that means you still have product in your unit. You need to wash it again. It shouldn't take that long to wash. Okay, now we're laying the unit. I'm not going to talk too much because I've laid a unit before. I'm just going to listen to the tunes, really, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah. Okay, so this is where I noticed that I was having issues with the construction of the wig. I did kind of notice it before, but I thought maybe when I got it on my head it would be different, but it is pulled back too far. So you're going to see me cut a huge piece off of that because I want to try and get it to go around my ear so that it doesn't pull back, but I might have to like reapply the frontal on this unit or something, you guys. Okay, so once I had that laid down, I'm just going to go in and start parting it. I decided to do a side part, a circle side part, and I'm just going to start with my hot comb just to lay it down a little more. And then I'm going to go in my curling iron and we're going to do some cute little pin curls. I kind of rushed through my pin curls. I didn't do them too great because I really wanted the hair to be wild and flirty. I didn't want the curls to be super uniform, and I knew I was going to comb them out. So my pin curls fell a little bit, but I didn't like spend too much time worrying about it. So cutting the lace, I'm just trying to be careful to get it where I want it. As you can see, I have to move that curl off the wig because I really don't want to end up messing up the wig because the wig isn't aligned right. And then I quickly threw that in the headscarf to just lay it down a little bit more so that it doesn't move. And now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to do some makeup and stuff and come back. So my makeup is done. I changed my little shirt and now we're taking out pin curls. I really like my makeup. It's a cute makeup look. So the curls came out really perfect, just what I wanted. I'm just combing them out to make them a little bit bigger and not so Shirley Temple like child. And that's how I want it to. I'm trying not to be annoyed by the piece of shit in the back. I'm just going to do a little bit of baby hairs, just to help distract that the unit is pulling back a little bit. And yeah, honestly, that's just pretty much the end. I'm just going to go ahead, put the scarf back on, and style the hair a little more. And that is literally all I'm doing. And we're pretty much done. It's coming out super cute. Just my final touches and stuff is what's happening. Alright guys, this is how it looks, and make sure you keep watching because I'm going to give you a full review on what I really think and all that good. Okay, flowers, so I finished styling the unit. I actually really love the way the color came out. It's super pretty. I wanted the roots to be very subtle. I didn't want it to be too much root, and I think I achieved what I really wanted. It is really pretty. I wish this was some hair I could wear to work, but it's just not what we consider professional. But I'm definitely going to wear this a few more times. Truth be told, this is my first time with jet black hair. I've never worn jet black hair. And it's something about it. I don't know if it's because the roots are pink that's giving me vibes. So I think I might get a wig and literally make it jet black because it's giving me something. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I'm going to have to do some dummy hair, like some short hair. Because if I don't like the jet black, I'm going to be mad. But this is super cute, you guys. I love how it came out. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the unit. I'm going to give a review. When it comes to the hair, I like the way the hair took the color, the bleach. The bleach took really well. It took the color really well. Only thing I really have to say I have more pros than cons. So the only con that I can think of off the top of my head is the fact that I don't like the way the wig was constructed. So if you can see right here, because it was basically the way the wig was constructed, it was pulled back as opposed to the ear tap falling straight down. So I'm having a hard time keeping that hair straight down here on the sides. So it's just not giving what we want it to give in that aspect. So I'm trying to like cover that section of it so it doesn't look like that. You can't see that it's like pulling back. That is my biggest issue. So I like couldn't do a half up half down with this. But the hair took curl really pretty, as you can see. It has a pretty good density. The hair is super soft. I did want these like wild kind of curls. I wanted it to be very wild and very flirty, and I didn't be able to achieve that. That's just my only issue, is that it's not laid like on this side too. This side is a little bit better, but it's a little pulled back, which means that I can't really do much. It's almost like I have a closure at this point, like a 5x5 closure, 6x6 closure. So that's my biggest issue with this unit. But otherwise it is really pretty. This trend is gorgeous. And I even like the way I paired this outfit, you guys. Yeah, you guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this wig dye review or whatever. Again, as I said in the intro, this hair is from Jacqueline Tresses or Jacqueline Cosmetics. I'll link her stuff down below. So yeah, don't get me wrong, the wig is very pretty, the hair is very pretty. I just don't really like the construction of the unit. It could have been constructed a little bit better so that I can have that full piece here. But yeah, don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And give me a big fat thumbs up. Kiss that like button. See you guys in my next video. Bye.